Hey, YouTubers, LashGo here. I'm so sorry, guys. I thought I uploaded it with one of my first videos, and I found out I didn't, and I erased it. So this is a tutorial about the old, but fairly alright, fidget cube. This one here is the original fidget cube. The point is to press all the buttons. Got these buttons here. They all press in. Then you got this joystick thing that goes round and round. And then you got the light switch. Then you got this little groove thing to push your finger in. And then on the other side, you've got this ball that you rub, combination locks. What else? You got this little round thing, DJ thing. So yeah, that's a fidget cube. But really, I don't see there a point. They come in all different colours. Like this one here. If you want to know from a real one to a fake one, well, it's easy. The real ones, with these buttons here, they all click in. The fake ones, only two click in. That one, that one, that one. That one doesn't, and that one doesn't. So these two don't. So that's how you know from a real original fidget cube to a fake fidget cube, a copy. And this one's all hard plastic, and this one's got like a rubber casing on it. They both do the same thing. I've got one more to show you. There it is again, see? These two don't click. Most of the coloured ones are like these other knockoff ones. But, alright, I'll tell you what they really are called. I'm reading it from the box. This is called a clicker. Click. It's called click. And then you got the spinner. And then you got, this is actually called roll. Glide. Flick. And the weird thing is this thing here, screw thing, and this is called breathe. So guys, yeah, I really thought that I actually uploaded it, and I didn't. The reason why this one's higher than this one is because it broke. But I re-glued it. But yeah, as you can see, that one's really hot. But this one here, you can have have a little rope with it if you choose. These ones you can't. But I thought that I would tell you from the real ones to the knockoffs. And the knockoffs have got this rubber casing around it. Looks pretty cool though. And the real ones don't. They're usually just 2 colours. Oh, sugar. Right guys, like I said, I'm so sorry. I really thought that this was one of my first videos I uploaded, and obviously I checked and I didn't. So these are the fidget cubes, guys. Alright. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Remember, hit the bell button, like, subscribe and comment down below, and put the thumbs up if you like this video. Come on guys, I think I'm at 8 subscribers. I'm almost at 10, and once I get at 10 I'll start giving you some fidget spinners. Alright guys, this is LashGo. Remember, stay awesome, stay cool, stay super cool mate. I'm out. Thanks for watching. Bye.